Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. All right, you guys, here's another part of my new computer build that's coming up. That's right, FSS. This is the Radeon RX 580 GPU. DDR5 GTS. Boy, this baby's awesome. HDR ready. AMD Freestyle DirectX. Optimum 3-port output. And it's VR. It's ready for VR. So let's... Right here, everything you need as far as setting it up. Here's the actual GPU. Ooh, look at that baby. It's looking good. Yes, sir. FSX. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that copper. Little copper core. Here's a little link up right here. PCI. Here's the back of it. And then of course here you got your connectors right here. You just take these tabs off and you have all your indicators here. So inside of here, all your connectors here. And once you pop these out, there's all your connectors, your HDMIs right here, in and out. Everything you need to have some good gaming. And even your parallel port right there. As you guys check it out, this is the Radeon RX 580. Make sure you stay tuned to all the videos and see the completed build for the machine.